So dear student, in this video I am going to explain the question number 32, 33 and 34. All the question I will explain. So question number 32, show that the function defined by function of x modulus cos x continuous. अब you know very well that all the modulus function is the continuous function. When you will draw the graph, it will be just like this, negative and positive. Clear? So all the modulus function is continuous. So again this is the function is the combination of two function. So again we will letting that px equal to the modulus x and the qx equal to the cos x. So POQ x, p yani function p of the function q, function p of the function q. POQ means, as you in the last year you studied GOF and FOG. GOF means GOF, function of g of function of f. Similarly POQ I have taken them. So PGX, that p into qx, what is the qx? Cos x. We are putting the cos x. A cos x, now p, a p is modulus x, so we will put whatever it is in the mod form, so then it convert into the modulus cos x. And function of x, it is also given the modulus cos x, so it means the function of x equal to POQ x, POQ x. Clear? Now we know very well the qx is a continuous function. Qx, what is the qx? This one is the qx, cos x. As I told you in the previous video, make the one diagram that which represent to the cos x on the graph representation. So it is the continuous function, and px is also the continuous function of any value of qx. So px is the modulus x function, just like it. Sometime you are taking -1 +1 -2 +2. We have modulus x representing actually the two things. One is negative and another is the positive. Clear? So qx is for all the inverted a is representing for all the value of x, that is the for the real number. So function of x is the continuous function. Clear? Now in the question number 33, show that the sine modulus x is the continuous function. So it is also the combination of the two function. So again we are letting the px equal to sine x and qx equal to mod x. So POQ x equal to p of the function qx. Its value is sine modulus x, and again sine modulus x, this is the function of x. The function of x equal to POQ x. When both are the equal, the qx is continuous, all x, all the real number. So qx, what is the qx? Modulus x, as I told to you, just like it. And x belong to the real number, and px is also the continuous function. Qx is, px is just like the sine function, and you know very well the sine function is just like this. Like this, and you can draw the graph without lifting the pen. It means it is the continuous function. Modulus x is the continuous function, and sin x is also the continuous function. So px is the continuous function, value of qx for all the x when x is belong to the any real number. When all the things is continuous, so that the function of x is the continuous function. Function of x is known as the POQ. POQ means there are the combination of two functions. Similarly, I will explain to you question number 34. Clear? Your limit is till now. Okay. So question number 34, find the all points of discontinue. We are finding the point of discontinue of function defined by function of x modulus x minus x plus 1. It is also the modulus. Just like it, it is the px. This one is the qx. Px is the continuous function. Qx is the continuous function. So when you will subtract continuous function minus the continuous function, then the result is the continuous function. So let px the modulus x, qx are this. X is the continuous function. This is also the continuous function. X belong to the R. So px minus qx. Px this one, qx this one is the function of x. It is given. So fx is the continuous function. There is no point of discontinue, means this function is continuous function and there is no any point of discontinue. Sometimes you will take the minus and this will take the plus, again you will take the plus, this will take the plus, this will take the plus, this will take the minus, definitely you will get the value. So there is no any point of the discontinue. Pause the video and note down.